Hi, nature. I don't know what's happening, Nemo, today, but today we have a turtle day. Nemo, just be nice to turtle. I just saw your friend 10 minutes ago. And now I met you. How many fingers you have? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How old are you, baby? Huh? Are you doing okay? Do you know where you're going? Can you find your home? I don't even know where you live. Otherwise, I would help you. Hey, you're so cute. You look like a tiger. Well, good luck finding your home. It was nice meeting you. The time has passed, yet lingers still. Each moment cherished, each breath fulfilled. Through every trial, through joy and strife, nature cradled my very life. No matter how hard the days became, through pain and tears, it called my name. The rustling leaves, the whispering trees, wipe away sorrow, brought me to ease. My light, it whispered, you are not alone. In every shadow you have found a home. Within the breeze, within the rain, I carry your heart, I heal your pain. No human touch, no crafted art could soothe so deeply or mend my heart. In simplicity, in boundless skies, the universe echoed within my eyes. Through every trial, I found my grace. In nature's stillness, my sacred space. It reminded me, in a day or night, I am with you. I am your light. Hi everyone. Thank you for visiting my channel again, and today I would like to share with you a chapter of my life that was both beautiful and deeply painful. It is my time in North Carolina mountains, where I came with a very good intention to fulfill my dreams and hoping to build the life around me I always wanted, and express myself in a very creative way that would inspire other people around me, and feeling fulfilled for myself. But unfortunately, I came across some individuals that took advantage of my vulnerability and trust, and pretty much left my heart and soul torn apart. Unfortunately, some people in this world care more about material gain rather than living with honesty and purity in their heart before God. I learned the hard way that there is more darkness in this world created by only people than I ever imagine. I was hurt in a way I never thought possible, and my dreams, future were stolen, and my precious time that I will never get back was taken from me too. But even in the darkest moments, I try to find hope and remind myself that it isn't over yet, that better days are coming my way. I refuse to accept that my life has been stolen from me. I believe in miracles, and till these days I believe that something incredible is gonna happen in my life, no matter what. And nature became my sanctuary and my safe place during this time. The beauty of the mountains, the quiet, the streams, and the moments felt like a miracle that helped me to stay strong during these difficult times in my life. And I also met a few kind people who offered me support, and met some locals who share things with me I wish I had known earlier. Otherwise, I would protect myself. They warned me about the way power and influence in the small community works, and often protecting certain individual people while leaving others behind. As someone from the Ukraine who are not native even to this country, and a single woman who lives alone in a mountain forest, I was explained that I'm an outsider, and that I probably will never be treated the same as locals who were born in this community. And no matter how truthful I was and how strong my case seemed, it felt like the system was stuck against me. Some places with power will always look out for each other, and leaving people like me without help and fairness. Locals have this expression I never heard of, but they say it's an old good boys club. There were people who actually wanted to help me, and unfortunately they admitted that they couldn't. They simply didn't have the resources to fight the system they knew was unfair. And I was put in a position where I felt like I had no choice but to go against my values. And my life was in danger. So this moment has changed me in a way how I see justice and fairness in this country forever. And this experience taught me how vulnerable people can be when money and influence are involved. It has also silenced me in ways I never thought possible, making it hard for me to share my story and warn other people what I went through, and to help them how would they have to protect themselves. But it's also allowed wrongdoing to continue exist. But looking back, I tell myself that I am not going to be bitter or break myself because of this. Instead, I have became stronger, more cautious, and start rebuilding my life one step at a time. I learned that sometimes you just have to listen to your guts and protect yourself even when liars and cheaters try to convince you with a smile and a lot of promises and pretend to be someone they are not, using the name of God. But I also want to warn others to be careful, especially when dealing with people who seem kind and trustworthy, but might have hidden motives. You never know. Not everyone seems like a friend who really wants to help you, or those who pretend to be professional, who must be honest under the law. I think protecting yourself means being aware, asking questions, and standing strong when things don't feel right. And who cares if you are nice in front of their eyes or not? It is more important to be true to yourself, protecting your own future and your own well-being, rather than thinking of those who never cared about you and treating you with morals. We need to be kind to ourselves first, and that means not at the expense of others. I have learned over the years that kind people and pleasers treated as weak and even stupid. But I believe kindness is a strength, and staying true to yourself even when others don't is what is really matter. What happened to me was wrong, and I know in my heart that the people involved must feel it too. I hope one day they will find the strength and take responsibility, set aside their pride and ego, and apologize, not just to me, but to their friends, to their family, before they face God. I trust in divine justice and universal law of karma. I believe the pain, tears, suffering, and betrayal they cause to other people will return to them until they feel the weight of their actions in their own hearts. Only through this will they truly learn and find their way back to the light. So let it be, let it be, let it be. What I experienced was one of the greatest lessons in my life, and it has forever changed me. It feels like as though they strip away a part of innocence from me, something I can never reclaim back. I have come to realize that America is no longer the free country once I believe it to be. Slowly, almost imperceptibly, constitutional rights are being eroded, leaving people unaware of what they have lost. This country now seems to revolve around powerful and wealthy influence, with a legal system that's serving only those who hold the most power and money. Big money. More and more I see people valuing ambition over the humanity, prioritizing riches and dominance even at the cost of destroying the lives of others. It is heartbreaking to wonder if there any lawyers still exist in our society who seek truth and justice. So many seems consumed by greed, willing to abandon integrity for personal gain. This is a world I see now, one where the soul of the humanity feels increasingly lost. Nevertheless, I still believe in the power of people. If we come together as a tribe and stand up for each other's right and truth, and dignity for each other, then I believe evil can no longer hold us back. Honestly, I don't know what needs to happen to wake up sleeping people, but I know it can't go anymore like this. Our future and the future of the next generation depends on us, the way how we act today, right now. And your future too. And your future too. I would like to take my time and thank you for being with me today. I know this video is getting kind of long now, but I still have so much to share with you about my last days in the northern Carolina mountains, some of the most emotional and meaningful moments I had, and I want to take time to tell you the rest of the story. So I will save that for my next video, and I hope you will be back for it. And it's going to be about finding strength, peace, and purpose in ways I didn't expect. And if you like this video, please leave a comment, and if you have any other questions, I will read and I will try to respond. I really love to hear from you. What do you think? And before I go, I want to say special thanks to Marlene. You're always on my mind and you're in my heart. And now, guys, I'm gonna leave you with some of the beautiful sights and sound from this place. I hope it will bring you a little peace, just as it's like does it for me. It is very dear memory of this place for me. Take care of yourself and remember you are not alone on your journey, and I will see you soon. Bye. Bye.